Good afternoon. So, let's discuss what happened last Monday. Kadiotsa. So, last Monday, ning uli ko diri sa Tubigon from Anda. So, pag uli na ko dito, parang I started my biyahe, mga 4:50 a.m. And ang biyahe, it went so well. I had fun, but I was so quiet while driving. And everything was fine. The speed was not so fast. Kay, of course, I have to be careful kay motor ba yan akong gigamit, no? And, okay ang tra. Kuan siya ka lang, during that time, nalang ko gihunahon na, like, sa oras sa mga buti sa mga. So, I projected around before 8 a.m. Makabot ko dapat dito sa Bicol because for, usually, ang travel time dyan ako from Anda to Tubigon or vice versa is 114 kilometers. Pero, kabat na siya 2 hours and 30 minutes, 3 hours at maximum. So, I gave myself an allowance of like 30 more minutes. So, approximately before 8. Okay. Everything went well. Okay ang journey, ang kalsada, clear kayo, nindot ang kalsada kayo, way kontra pag-ayo, kasagaran na mong makatagbo o makasabay mga motorasad. So, mga around 6, mga past 6, yung abot na ko sa may Carmen. So, from Carmen, pag moabot na mo ka, from kami to, ikan kag Sherbolyones, mato na kag Carmen, liko kag left, tapos mato na ka padong sa church. So, sa church sa Carmen, you have to go to right, para maka-entra ka padong sa sa bayan. So, being that Carmen is slightly a busy street, they have a busy street over there. So, I have to be more careful when driving there. Kaya daghang most likely since Monday magkagukod na kay mga to silang trabahoan, whatever. So, I pace parang akong pace is like so slow. Ning dagan ko between 20 to 40. Of course, princess ta. Princess rider ta. So, dito tang pagkukod-kukod, di ba? So, pagliko na. So, pagkaliko, na yung mga convoy sa mga motor, I think, na sila group or something. Ako, solo, kaya paulit na lagi, hindi ko sa mga shop dito sa Anda. Since kasagaran nila nagpakilid, ako, nasa medyo tunga-tunga gamay. And in front of me is katong inahan ug anak. They're riding a motorcycle as well, without any helmet on. I was waiting for them to signal kung muli ko sila o wala, or muli ko sila or what. Wala signal. So, padayon ko. Dinhalan sila yung signal, and I can still remember what happened. Dito na sila yung signal kung mismo magliko na. So I was thinking, nago ko sa comfortable pace na ko nga 30 to 40. So I was not able to stop right away, or hining minor man lang ko. So sa kadlok na ko nga mabangga ko nila, duol na kayo yung slight second na lang, I used my front brake, 15 pilita. Natilapon ko, pero not very impacting, kaya hinay man ko padagan. I lost my balance, I fell, and so was my laptop. Luckily, since di man ko kusog padagan, and that's the indicator nga di ko kusog padagan, kay I have no scratches kamay bunog lang kay because natuman ko sa motor, and walay impact sa akong laptop, and walay scratches sa motor. So meaning, I drove so slow. Luckily for me, katong mga riders, mga grupo na sila, mga mag-ayo, uyab or whatever, they stopped to help me. And then they helped me, ibarog akong motor, o akong laptop, gitabangan ko nila. I was so distraught of what happened, but I was still smiling because I know nga this was my unang motor accident, but really minor, but not a big deal, of course. Sayon sila, okay ka ma'am, okay ka ma'am kana. Kaya ko okay na. Kanang kung gusto ning kuning signal daan. Kaya kung yung signal pa lang daan, layo pa lang nagminom na ko or nagpahinay pa ko sa mot, di ba? Katong mga riders, usa ato yung nga, mo siyang signal dayon. So bitawin ko bitaw. So, sometimes nagstorya may gilugar ang akong motor, nagkuhan ko, maraging try ko kaya sakit lagi akong lawas, kaya tungod itong natumbahan ko, pero the good thing about Honda Beat, kanang kuhan niya siya, gaan, wala huge impact for me, so, I was really fine. Akong helmet, wala, fine din, wala scratches or anything. So, inaog tong inahan, o anak, yan siya, ma'am, okay lang ka, ma'am, sorry kayo, ma'am, kabasing napakusok ka, ma'am, minum, ka na yung signal, ma'am, ko. Ingon siya, ko, o ma'am, yung signal mo ka, ma'am, okay lang yung signal ka, pero doon lang, ayahan mo ka yung signal na muliko na kada yun. Wala kayong signal before ka muliko. Basig kusok ka, marag ka, they're trying to, I don't know if she meant that way, or or it's like unintentional nga question nga. Basta napakusog ka man ko nga. No, ako napakusog. Mga around 30-40, I'm not so sure. Pero ako napakusog kay considering gikan ko ning liko, padung aning area. And considering nga daghang tao, so di ko mapakusog. Ko, okay ra, okay ra. Wa ako napakusog. Ikaw ko nang wa mo kay signal dayon mao nga ako nga nasa likod nimo, nagadulisod ko kuan. Balance di lang ko ganang bang kanang ning likay ko nga mabanggaan ta mo. Ay ko nga, sige, okay ra ko, okay ra ko. Sige, tindog ko, smile ko nila, I went on my way. And after that, katong abot ko sa Sagbayan, before going abot sa Sagbayan, I contacted my partner to tell him what happened. And then we spoke quite briefly when I reached kanang Sagbayan to tell him what happened. Lesson learned. For me, I should have been more careful. I'm extra careful. But I have to be triple, quadruple extra careful because you don't know the people around you. Naiubahan ba sinakalimot mo signal, kaya lang yung signal. I have to be more defensive as a driver. Kaya ako medyo defensive driver, medyo pupo. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm fine. I have minor bruises, but it's okay. Sakit ang akong lawas, kinatumba ko. But I'm fine. I'm alive. I'm very thankful that nag-pray ko before ko nag-drive. And yeah, equipments are fine. My motor is fine. That's it.